Okay, take two. Here's my invention. Here's the motor assembly that I bought. $15 a piece, long shaft. This is a nut that I made. This is the other nut and the lawnmower wheel. So, hooked up to my power supply, I can do this. I can turn the power on, and that's just a few volts, and I can get it to spin far faster than I need it to. Because you got to remember, this is going to be one of 4 that will be driving my lawnmower using battery power. But I can also get it to go very slowly, which is likely to be where it will spend most of its time. And I can also reverse it, so that will require a little bit different circuitry, but essentially easily done. And that's for you, Jenny. No one else would appreciate it.